following Rhonda, y'all. They look good though, right? From Treyler Park Restaurant. There is also a Treyler Park Diner here in Savannah. About to go to this spot was suggested by one of our subscribers and members, Philip. Thanks, Philip. It looks kind of crowded out there, man. It's called Treyler Park. This is Bay Street, man. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, the music ain't too loud in here. I think we'll be able to put up with this, man. Check out that fan. Oh, where's outside? Out back? Yeah, let's check it out. We're gonna check out back. You have space in here? All right, there, let's go check it out. I'm following Rhonda, y'all. I should pull her dress. Oh, this is it? What you think? Yeah. You want to sit inside? Yeah. All right, then we making the decision to sit inside. We going back in. I told Rhonda let's sit inside, but she wasn't listening to me. I just love that red hair, y'all. Oh, let me get out of the way. Sorry about that. Yeah, this ain't bad. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, you waiting? You're fine. They look good though, right? I'm gonna eat all them wings, y'all. Look, it's out, man. This is the DoubleWide Hot Dog right here from Treyler Park Restaurant. There is also a Treyler Park Diner here in Savannah. We're in Georgia, y'all. This is how they do it in Georgia. Look, y'all, Rhonda don't want to be on camera, but we got it. There it is, y'all. I just dropped a piece on my leg. See that hot dog in there, y'all? It's pretty big, right? It tastes delicious. I know one side is chili. I can't remember what she said was on the other side. I think that was the chili side. Well, we're gonna check it out on the other side here. All right, I got fries. Sloppy Joe on one side. And relish. So that's the Sloppy Joe side. Okay, that was the chili side that I ate, y'all. The other side is gonna be the Sloppy Joe side. Sloppy Joe, Sloppy Joe. Here it is. That's the Sloppy Joe, y'all. Sloppy Joe and the relish. I'm gonna eat some off of here. Wow, that's really good. It's okay. Rhonda said the wings are. She did like this. Okay. What do they call these fries? Huh? Waffle fries. You know, I keep forgetting that my cousin is a chef. These are waffle fries.
I think I'm gonna get the PB&J wings. Okay. PB&J wings.
Oh, they getting the PB&J over there. You suggest them? She said so.
I know. That sounds great. Okay, but do we want the shrimp? Okay, because I'm finding it's like really hard taco and the country chicken. What's the chicken?
The waffle fries are good.
She said the PB&J wings is the chicken.
Okay, now I'm gonna try one of the PB&J wings. There it is right there. Those are actually nuts on there? It looks like peanuts on there, y'all. See that? We're gonna go for the PB&J wings. Rhonda said they okay. We're gonna see what I say about it. I get it. It doesn't have that tender bite. I get it. I get it. Yeah, they're not juicy. When I eat chicken wings, I want them to be juicy. I get it. I get it. I really get that. There's some type of peanut butter sauce on here. I really like that. The sauce is good, but the wings are the wings don't taste as juicy as I want them to be. Yeah, can you see it? And I would say the reason for that is that they're overcooked. Yeah, I'm going back to the hot dog. Did you guys want to taste one?
So bad.
Go for it. Go for it. Then we'll have a third opinion, you know? But the hot dog is the bomb.
You want to dip it? Thank you. I see what you mean though.
They agree with us, y'all. I'm glad I'm right. I'm so right. Because if you guys would have been like, yo, they're delicious, I'd have been like, oh man, I feel bad. Yeah. Once again, shout out to Philip Clark, who suggested that we come to this place. And you suggested the hot dog. It was very delicious, the double wide. And it has the chili on one side and the sloppy joe with relish. That was delicious. The toppings were delicious. The hot dog tastes delicious. I was not a big lover of the chicken wings.